I'll hit you up later about that. All right, bud. Peace. I think so. Oh, shit! Wow. You like the lens?
Dude, this lens fucks.
I was going to bring my prime, but this is the lens made for the R, too.
All right, market update. Just go right into it.
All right. I wanted to tell you my bear market strategy, because obviously the S&P 500, stock markets, NASDAQ, the Russell 2000, it's all in the crapper. Crypto's down a lot too. So I wanted to tell you my bear market strategy. My first thing is stay vigilant. Right now, we're at a time where this is where generational wealth can be potentially acquired and made. And most people are going to be bored and get out of the markets. And a lot of you guys out there have probably lost a lot of money. I lost a lot of money as well. But we have to stay vigilant and be updating ourselves with content constantly before you go to bed, when you're waking up, when you're doing all these things. And that's what I'm doing. That's staying informed is my #1 tip for you guys coming into this bear market where you can make generational wealth gains. The second thing is I'm learning how to trade. And I know we're really down. Bitcoin's around 19, 20,000. We had a Bitcoin have a little moonshot today. It's July 7th, a Thursday. So markets are rallying, but the dollar, the DXY, that's another thing I'm paying attention to. How strong is the dollar? Usually when the dollar's on a rampage, it's going up. Crypto and stocks are gonna go down. But for some reason, the dollar broke out and it's in a huge W pattern and it's just reaching new highs that it hasn't touched in over 20 years. And even though that's happening, the markets are stabilizing. So we could potentially be finding a bottom, which is again why it's important to stay vigilant. But I'm figuring out how to start trading a lot more. And it's these things that keep me busy in this bear market. There's a lot of stuff that'll make you just want to get out. And I'm thinking if you learn trading in these times, it's going to help you going into the bull market. And this is where everyone's going to be capping out. So if you stay with it, you're going to see the big gains and rewards for sticking through these hard times. So I've been learning how to short and how to long with small little amounts, and I'm using the Bybit exchange. Now, everyone's freaking out about, can I even keep my crypto on exchanges? KuCoin, the USDC stablecoin, Tether, UST, the Luna stablecoin, that one completely crashed. There's all this FUD and fear, uncertainty, and doubt coming out about all these different stablecoins, and people are like, can we even keep money in these exchanges? I think a great idea if you have a hardware wallet is to send your Bitcoin out and have it on your own hardware wallet so it's yours. Your keys is your crypto, and when it's on any other exchange, that's technically an exchange that could go under in 2 seconds. This is a volatile market, and I'm saying I'm still keeping my money on Bybit because that's one of the most liquid platforms for people making money and trading cryptocurrencies. So I'm learning how to short, and I'm just charting things out. I'm listening to Crypto Banter, a great YouTube channel, and I'm following them with their daily trade strategies, and this guy's trying to take an account from $400 to $1 million. So I'm excited. He's lost all his money multiple times, and he's giving us all the trial and error steps for us to go forward. So #1, stay vigilant. #2, start learning some trading, stay immersed in the platforms. And then #3 is just remain positive and know that this is one of the only times that has happened. Like I said, the dollar hasn't been this high in over 20 years. We're going through such a massive amount of change that you need to keep your eyes not only on crypto, but diversify. Look in the stock market as well. So many stocks are undervalued and down so much. And again, I use the Webull stock app. Totally awesome. I have my stocks and my crypto app. And then the only other account I have is KuCoin, and that's my HODL portfolio where I'll keep some of my major assets, and I'm just keeping my portfolio there. I'm not selling anything. And my Bybit account is where I got like 10K in there, and I'm trading up and down, learning leverage, learning spot trading, learning how to long and how to short at certain resistance and support levels. So that's kind of my bear market strategy. Don't give up, don't give in, stay positive, stay vigilant. Everyone was trying to buy Bitcoin when it was down at 20K. That's what they all hoped and dreamed for when it was at 69K. Nice. But they're not doing it now. Everyone's scared. This is the times when you have to get in. And that's all I got for you on this bear market update. We got more coming soon. Thanks, guys. Peace.
Trade flip.